Hello everyone, welcome back. We are back with a new anatomy tutorial, and today we will talk about the anatomy of supinator muscle. So the supinator is this flat fusiform type of skeletal muscle that lies in the posterior or extensor compartment of forearm, and it occupies the deep layer of muscles in the posterior or extensor compartment of forearm. So this muscle has got a broad spectrum of origin, and it originates from the lateral epicondyle of humerus, the annular ligament of the proximal radio-ulnar joint, and the supinator crest of ulna. And after origin, the fibers of this muscle travel inferolaterally over the elbow joint and spiral over the proximal one-third of radius to insert onto the posterior, lateral, and anterior aspects of neck and shaft of radius bone, as you can see. So let's proceed towards the actions performed by this muscle. So the name of this muscle clarifies that this muscle is a supinator, and this muscle supinates the forearm at the proximal radio-ulnar joint. Now lastly, let's talk about the nerve supply of this muscle. So just like the other extensor muscles of forearm, the supinator muscle has got its nerve supply from the deep branch of radial nerve. So if we take a lateral view of forearm, then you can see that this nerve is the radial nerve, which gives off this branch called the deep branch of radial nerve, also called the posterior interosseous nerve of forearm, while this nerve is the muscular branch to the supinator muscle, while the radial nerve itself arises from the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. And the nerve roots involved in supplying the supinator muscle are the anterior rami of fifth and sixth cervical spinal nerves. So that's all about the anatomy of supinator muscle. If you have any confusion in what we studied, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.